woke up, got it. So, oh hell nah, look at this. It's gonna come off anyway.
It's gonna rip?
Yes.
You have to use two.
Yeah, it's ripping. You see this? This is my makeup. I did not do it. My sister did. And if you want to look at her page is, I don't know, but I'll put it somewhere in the screen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle with rubber bands tutorial. And these are the products I'm going to be using. First is Eco Gel. You guys can use any type of gel. It doesn't really matter. I just love using this type of gel. These are the two brushes I use for right now. And then you're going to be needing a comb that has a rat tail. I misplaced my edge brush right now, but I don't think I'm going to be doing edges anyway. I wanted to say something before we got into the video. Thank you for 10 likes on my last video. I really appreciate it and I love you guys so much. So for this video, let's get to 20 likes for me to drop another banger. And I also wanted to mention that thank you for 39 subscribers. That I have no words to describe how happy I am. Thank you all for supporting me, and if you're just watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go do that right now before the video starts. Let's get into the video. The first step I did was I brushed through all the tangles in my hair. Oh, totally forgot. You're gonna also be needing rubber bands. I totally forgot to put it in before. And the color I'm gonna be using is purple. Since my hair is already divided in the middle, I'm gonna split my hair on the side. Now I'm going to do the same thing but on the opposite side. I'm going to untangle my hair by brushing it out. I'm going to make my line straight in the back to form a box shape. This is how it should look like at the end. You're going to grab the rest of your hair and put it into a ponytail. Now I'm going to re-dip my comb into the gel and split my hair in half. I'm going to tie one side of my hair with a rubber band. As you can see in the video, I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections. Once I finish parting the first section of my hair, I'm going to smooth it out with gel and a soft brush. I'm going to place a purple rubber band on the first section I parted. I'm going to do the same thing for section 2, but as you can tell in the video, I'm going to connect section 1 and section 2 together with a different rubber band. And do the same for the third section. Now I'm going to apply water to my hair. Don't forget to connect section 1 and section 2 together with a different rubber band. After I'm done with my sections, I'm going to apply gel on each side so there's no loose hair sticking out. I'm going to connect section 1 and section 2 to the ponytail to make one. Finally, you're going to grab a hair tie and put your hair into a ponytail. This is optional. You can straighten your hair, leave it like this, curl it. I'm gonna do my baby hairs because I think it will give a little touch to the hairstyle. Period. I'm learning how to do my baby hair still. I'm kind of iffy on them, but I'm gonna have my sister do my baby hairs just cause she does them better than me. She's gonna do my baby hair, so I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below on what other hairstyles you would like to see me do. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave 2 big thumbs up, and click the bell button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!